Hello, in this part I will talk about the differential surface area and differential volume in case of Cartesian coordinate system. Now taking area as a vector quantity. So three areas are dx, dy, then dy, dz and dx, dz. So it will be positive while three areas dx, dy, dz and dx, dz will be negative. In vector form of the area, the magnitude is equal to area and whose direction is that of normal to that area. So therefore the differential area ds can be expressed as, so you can express ds here, ds is equal to plus minus unit vector ax dy dz plus minus unit vector ay dx dz plus minus unit vector az dx dz. So let us consider this figure in which I have drawn three surfaces with their normals. You can see here. So the differential surface, you can see here the differential surface here dy, dz and unit vector ax is normal to that surface. Then the differential area dx, dz, this plane have the normal unit vector ay. Then differential surface area dx, dy and this unit vector az is normal to that surface. So differential surface area or element ds may be defined as, you can define it as here ds is equal to ds unit vector an. You can represent it as, so where ds is the area of surface element and unit vector an is the normal to that surface. You can see from these figures. So differential area and this is the normal to that surface. So for above three surfaces ds equal to is equal to dy dz unit vector ax ds is equal to dx dz unit vector ay and ds is equal to dx dy unit vector az. You can see here dy dz unit vector ax, dx dz unit vector ay, dx dy unit vector az. So if we consider the surface pq and p dash q dash as in previous figures, then ds is equal to minus dy dz unit vector ax unit vector ax because an is equal to minus ax. Normal to the surface, which is normal to the surface pq P dash Q dash. You can refer the figure in last talk. So the differential volume, you can calculate the differential volume is here. Differential volume which is represented by dV is equal to, we have three surface area, if you multiply them then you will get differential volume dx, dy and dz. This is the differential volume. So I have just shown that in this table to easily understand the summary of Cartesian coordinate system. Differential lengths are dx, dy and dz. Differential length in vector form, dl equal to unit vector ax dx plus unit vector ay dy plus unit vector az dz. And differential surface are dsx equal to dy dz, dsy equal to dx dz and dsz equal to dx dy. And if I talk about differential volume, then we have this dv equal to dx dy dz. So these are the things, differential length, area and volume in case of Cartesian coordinate system. In next talk I will show you all these things in case of cylindrical coordinate system. I will show you the differential length, differential area and differential volume. Thank you.